This is my intro. Working on it. Don't know exactly what it's going to consist of, what it might be. It might be something different next time. Might be the same for the next several times. I don't know. Okay. Sit back. Watch the video. Enjoy. Bye.
Oh, okay. But you're here! Like, just to watch me, just not know anything. Okay. Just, I mean, it's okay. I'ma have a band-aid. Get a paper cut. Multitasking. I'm a mom. Okay.
Okay, this is the last video for me for today. So I feel this is how you know it's over, it's done. Put it up. Like you're done when you can't even pronounce words anymore. So yeah, I filmed a couple of other videos. Okay, let me stop. But yeah, no, the wig and the makeup. So if you want to see the wig and the makeup, where they came from, how they, how I feel about them, you can't tell already. Then look at the videos before this one. This video is about Dollar Tree and the stuff that I found. Okay, so this is about Dollar Tree and the stuff that I found at Dollar Tree. Yeah, so let's talk about it. Like, I liked the stuff. First, this makeup brush holder, so cute, $1.25 at Dollar Tree. I'm giving this to my daughter. She is going to put her makeup brushes in it, as you can see. So yeah, she's going to get a lot of use out of this. I mean, it's $1.25 makeup brush holder, Valentine's Day. I think it's cute. Okay, so then the next find that I found was how cute sleeping mask, on-the-go sleeping mask. It includes one pair of earplugs. Yeah, and a sleeping mask. This is so cute. I plan on, okay, so I'm going to go see some things this year that require a plane. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I love it. It's convenient. Hello. Don't tell me you're not going to go get one of these and put it with your passport. Or if you have a map on a wall and you do an eeny meeny miny mo. Tell me you're not going to place this up there next to the map. So when you get ready to go, you know where these are. Tell me not. You are. Next. Okay, so I walked past these and I was like, hashtag. I was like, what is this? What? So I picked it up and these are Band-Aids. This is a Band-Aid carrying case with Band-Aids, and they have hashtags on the Band-Aids. OOTD. Now I'm 42, almost 43. My birthday's in a couple days. Okay. I'll be 43 in a couple days. Okay. Outfit of the day. I know that one. I'm cool like the cool kids. Selfie, love, and TBT. To be tomorrow.
TV. Wait. Talk back Tuesday? Wait.
Oh, Throwback Thursday. It's Throwback Thursday. Okay. That's what it is. Okay. So yeah. I'm liking this. I think this would be great for parents that have accident prone children, like, or, you know, daredevils, or they play sports. I mean, I think it's cute. I think it's cute. Tell me this isn't like you would rock this. I mean, cool mom. Cool moms rock band-aids. I'm just saying. I think it's cute for $1.25. Laundry Essentials dryer balls. It's a 2-pack. I want to see if these really do as good as dryer sheets. I'm not gonna lie. I want to see if they work. I've heard that they work. You know, if you've seen other YouTubes or people talking about them on other platforms and they say that they work, maybe I don't have to buy dryer sheets anymore and save me money. So yeah, I got these dryer balls. This was a great find at Dollar Tree. $1.25, and you got 2. So yeah. Tell me this is not the cutest thing. All right, I have 2 kids. Okay, 2. It's a dice at Dollar Tree, right? And on it, it has different things that your children can do. It's for 3 and up. Clean the toilet, scrub the floor, take the day off, wash dishes, clean your room, dust and vacuum. I mean, me telling them works just as well, but I thought this would be fun. To the 17-year-old, he could care less. The 10-year-old, she's you know, so but yeah, it's fun for me. It's fun for me. Okay, there you go. All right, so that's why I brought it. Fun for me. Something else for me. Okay, so this. So let me open it. It's a small one. It's only got 2 drawers. They came in other colors. And I needed one like this because I have, lookity, look, the cutest for my dresser here. I have little things like these, right? These little cloth. Here we go. This is what I wanted it for. They have the how the bottom is shaped, and it has holes in it to where you should be able to take the top off of one and stack them by just popping off the top. Because look, they have the little these, which usually means you can stack them. So in this one drawer, I was able to fit 6. There's 3 on top of it. Okay, so the next thing that I found was this doorknob hanger. I've already used it. I've already taken it off the tag, and I've been having it on my door. Yeah, I got home from store and I didn't even wait for y'all. You hang it on your doorknob. Go put it back on my door now. Okay, so I found this, right? It's a beard serum. I don't have a beard. I mean, sometimes I pluck it. A beard serum, and it's called Men's Refresh Blue Algae and Aloe by Bolero. Hydrate, condition, and shine. I said, well, how am I mean, I can smell it. I can tell you if it smells good or not, but I'm not going to be the one wearing it. So I have a man here who's going to open it now and tell us what it smells like, what he thinks of it. He also has a beard, which is helpful in this because it's a serum for the beard. So yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. Okay, he's gonna take it and we're gonna find out about it. It smells good.
What I got is, it's a light oil, so it slides very easily, and this is my 3rd time applying. I'm just doing 3 or 4 dabs at a time. Do you feel like it did that? I definitely see the shine, so I can tell from the shine, yes. Mm-hmm. Condition, we would have to see after some time. Hydrate, does it feel hydrated? I'll say yes. It's a light aroma, so it's definitely easy on someone who's actually wearing it.
Yeah, it's nice. It's not bad, and I don't feel like it would clash against colognes.
All right, so last find was this mini gel lamp. How cute! Again, for my daughter. I think this is the absolute cutest thing. Got it. Okay, so look, you pull out the legs. It has a little on and off. On and off. I guess you have to put batteries in it. Yes, it takes 3 AAA batteries. So I'm gonna go put some batteries in here and then I'll come back. Okay, so I put some batteries in it and it does work. All right. So yeah, I mean, it probably will take her a little longer than a regular machine, but you know, she's 10. I'll get her some UV gloves. So yeah, I'm excited about these new finds. If you want to know about more stuff that you can find at Dollar Tree that actually works, then come back. But yeah, I'm going to do more of these. So stick around. I mean, hopefully you liked and you subscribed and you shared and did all the little social media things while you were here. Because you know you're going to be back. We don't know what we're doing. We have no clue what we're doing. And by we, I mean me. I have no clue what I'm doing in any of these videos. That's it. That's all. There's nothing else. What do you want? Blood? I go to the blood bank. I have a card. You guys have a good night. Good day or whatever. I don't know when you're watching me. Still holding that. All right. Bye. Bye.
Deactivating. I do not understand. Do you wish to delete? All systems down.